Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is Dalton. This is Bertrand Akers. Today's video, we're going to be adding some accessories to the old Bad Boy Maverick HD here. It's one of those things where it's going to be very useful to have some sort of storage system on this thing, because sometimes I'm way across the property. I don't have to drive all the way back. If I could just haul out of this stuff, whether it be, you know, one of those mini chainsaws, some tools even, some clippers, whatever it may be, it'd be nice to have a place where I could put those things on this thing, because I do have the canopy. That's really nice, keep you out of the sun. And I'm probably going to end up getting one of those weed eater holders for this as well. But this thing right here is going to be a really, really awesome accessory to add to this thing. All right, guys, so here it is. Really thick metal. Like, look at that. Really, it was a heavy box, really is. Looks very simple, so it looks like we're just going to be, these are going to be bolting directly to these holes, and obviously the basket itself is going to be bolting to those. So very simple. Probably just going to throw a little time lapse up, knock this out real quick, and then we'll go over it and see kind of what can fit in there and how useful it'll be. This is one of those things where I'll probably throw this in there as well. There's some branches in my way that are going to hit the canopy or something. This will be a great tool to keep on board at all times. Probably throw that in the basket. Like I said, maybe a water bottle or a cooler or something like that. So let's go ahead and get started. To do all this put together before you put it on here. I feel like it would have been easier to put the basket on after this is mounted, but well. Alright, that's not really where I want it. I think I want it, because I don't want it hitting that. It's hitting that. I don't want that, so I gotta go to the highest one. All right, we're almost done. There we go. That. All right. And this one. Here we go. All right, now I'll get these tightened up. Boom. Oh, also, I'll put a link to this in the description. I bought this with my own money. This wasn't sponsored. If you want one of these, go check it out. I'll put a link in the description to where I bought it from. All right, guys, so here it is. This basket I think it's pretty well made. It seems pretty stout on there. I think what I might add is like a rubber mat right here to stop stuff from sliding and things like that. I don't know if it came, I don't think it came with it. No, I feel like it should come with that. Not a big deal, but I'm gonna probably get one of those little like rubber mats I can put in here just so, like I said, tools don't slide and things like that. But pretty happy with it. I mean, it's not really a cheap basket by any means. I think it was like 200 bucks or something like that, but I think it's gonna be very useful to have here just because I always find myself having to run back, grab something. Like I said, that one little mini chainsaw would be so nice because there's areas where, you know, things grow and then the canopy is starting to hit it. So if I had that where I could just cut it down and keep going, just grab back here and then or put my drinks in here, could strap my drink in right here, be nice. Yeah, pretty happy with it. Little mini cooler. Yeah, and it actually looks pretty cool. Makes this sucker look awesome. It's already one of the more like aesthetically pleasing looking zero turns, I would say, especially the Bad Boy Maverick HD. You get the really nice seat and you get the canopy on it, so it looks really, really cool as it is. But let me know down below, are there any other like must-have accessories for these things? Not just Bad Boys, I'm talking about zero turns in general. What could you add to these to make it that much better or more convenient or whatever it may be? Let me know down below in the comments. But I am very happy with how this turned out. Super easy. Took me maybe, I don't know, 20 minutes to put on. Actually less than that. If I'm actually working and not messing with cameras, it probably would have took me just 5 minutes. So very simple. It was 7/16 for all of these bolts. This one, these on the top here, and then 1/2 inch for these 4 right here. So very simple. Like I said, took me 5 minutes. I think it's a kind of a must-have for these zero turns, having some sort of storage solution. So yeah, that is gonna do it, guys. Very simple, very quick video, nothing crazy, but something I've been wanting for a while on this thing, so we got it done. But yeah, guys, that's gonna do it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.